Hello, this is the first tutorial for Rock Around the Block first chorus. Move into positions. Okay, so let's break that down so you can see me facing the way you guys will be facing. Okay, so first you're gonna start with just a step together and step together. So it's just gonna go step together, step together, step, snap, step, snap. You guys got that? Okay, cool. So after step together, you're gonna do a rock little step. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's gonna all together, look for right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're moving on. So after the rock step, you're going to go, and you're going to do a little toe dig into the ground with your right foot. So this is like, pretend like you're digging your toe into the ground. So like really dig it in, kind of get funky with it, right? And so let's try that all together now. Step right, step left, rock, rock, toe dig. Perfect. Awesome. So this is how it's going to look with music. So this is the steps for girlfriend, boyfriend, sister, brother. So you're just going to repeat. So you're going to go step together, rock, step. But this time we're going to do something different. We are going to be doing a little step and step. So step front, step back. So that's going to be on up one side, okay? And then down the other is just going to be a little shimmy like this. So it's going to be up one side and down the other. So up one side and down the other. So it's going to be looking like this. Girlfriends, brother, sister, brother, up one side and down the other. Okay, so on the line, they'll be running down the alley, they'll be running through the park. You're just going to go step, step, back, step, step. And then you're going to repeat that twice. So it's just going to go right, left, right, left, right. And you're going to do that twice. So be running down. Da, 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 da. So the line will be, they'll be jumping out of taxis. They'll be coming after dark. It's just going to be, they'll be jumping out of taxis, like you're jumping out of a taxi, and then they'll be coming after dark. So from the way that you're going to do it is they'll be jumping out of taxis, they'll be coming after dark.